Diesel generator sets typically have higher power output and are suitable for applications that require high efficiency and stability. Its design is more durable, able to withstand higher loads and continuous operation time, and has a longer service life. Compared to gasoline generators, diesel generators have higher fuel efficiency and can operate more under the same conditions. The maintenance cost of diesel generator sets is relatively low, making them easier to maintain and repair. Diesel generator sets can maintain high reliability and stability in extreme environments and are suitable for places that require long-term operation and harsh working environments.